Subscribe another channel, Automotive Area channel, click link at description. Welcome to Motorcycle News channel. After the Z900RS and Z900RS CAFE introduced last year comes yet another retro roadster from Kawasaki. The air-cooled 2019 Kawasaki W800 harkens back to 1966, when Kawasaki introduced the W1 in the US. We'll see the W800 CAFE while other markets will also get the W800 Street Sans fairing. The 2019 Kawasaki W800 CAFE is powered by an air-cooled fuel-injected parallel twin engine with SOHC 4-valve heads, with the same 77.0mm bore and 83.0mm stroke as the discontinued W800 for a total displacement of 773 cc. The W800 CAFE adopts a sporty riding position with M-shaped clubman bars creating a forward-leaning posture for an extra level of comfort. The clutch lever is adjustable through 5 positions while the front brake lever offers 4 positions. The 2019 Kawasaki W800 CAFE will be offered in a metallic magnesium gray, galaxy silver color scheme, carrying a $9,799 MSRP.